Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. We're gonna get her.
Why, yes, these are my Harley-Davidson gloves. Thanks for asking. Let's see if I lose my phone. Tuck it in-ish. Resume. What's this car doing? Figure out what you're doing. I wanna go! Waiting for you! What are you doing? What? Anything else? Take a picture, it'll last longer. I bet I could go faster in that minivan. Sure, people do vlogs with motorcycles, but do they do them with cars? Just gonna wave, see people's reaction. Hi, how are you? Yeah, they wave back. People are awesome. Just wave to my neighbors. Hey, how are the chickens today? How are the chickens, neighbors? Hello, neighbors. How are the chickens? Oh, you goats look lovely! I don't even want to compliment your cows today. Oh! Woo! I need glasses. All kinds of rocks are kicking up in my face. No way, I'm wearing a helmet with a visor. Ha ha ha! Big bump! Ugh. I know there's a kill switch somewhere. It said Tiffany and Chris, and then deleted my top speed. Predator, Hemi. So wait, where's my top speed, and why did it say Tiffany and Chris? What a loser. Alright, 31 miles per hour. Predator oval track kart. Not the most impressive. We're going to make that a little bit faster. We don't need a throttle stop screw, throttle stop screw, throttle stop screw. We don't need a throttle stop screw, no we don't. Maximum speed 13. Shot. Come on, meow. Big bump. Hey, there's a tractor. Let's go run down that tractor. I mean, it's louder, but not noticeable for performance. Take that throttle stop screw back. You just tag along with the tractor. Hey buddy, coming up to play with you. I mean, what a parade, right? Hey, there's a tractor and just a go-kart coming down the street. And soybeans. What if I could just pull on the throttle cable, give it a little bit more go? Nobody behind us still. This is country living, isn't it? No passing zone. Okay. We're in a no passing zone. You cannot pass the guy on the tractor. That's the law. Live the land and the law out here. This pasture is for sale. No wait, it's the next one. Next one is which is just kind of a shitty one. Hey, look, the pullover spot just for me. Oh, mother. That burns just a squeebosh. What do you mean 0? What did you do? Max speed 32. Well, that did nothing for me. Except burn myself. Burn myself on the dang skibbity-doo. Right there. That should be it. Oh, cool. Oh, sweet. I got a burn mark of the hand on my arm that says, "Caution, dumbass, it's hot." You can see the dust got pushed away from where it is. That's great. I will have that reminder to serve me through the ages. Wibbly-doo. Field flowers.
You know, I have to wonder if you can actually hear me because the microphone is just going all over the place. Max speed 32 miles per hour. I mean, it's a timid kitten. What am I gonna say? This is a ferocious tiger? Only in looks and spirit. Only in looks and spirit. Ha ha! See the ponies galloping, galloping. Where did that come from?